In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to Squarespace website. By the end, your visitors will have a simple, professional way to reach you, and you'll know exactly where to find the tools to set it up quickly. First, look to the left side of your Squarespace editor and click Website. This opens the main area where you control what appears on your site. Next, select Pages and head to the exact page where you want the contact form to live. This could be a dedicated contact page, your About page, or even a section on your home page, anywhere it makes sense for people to get in touch. Choosing a page with a clear purpose helps your visitors know what to expect. Now, on that page, go to the section where you want the form to appear. Click on the section to make it active, and then click Add Block at the top left. Blocks are the building pieces of your Squarespace layout, and this is where you'll find the form option. When the block menu opens, select Form. Squarespace will drop a default form right into the section you selected, so you can immediately see how it fits within your design. Once the form is in place, click directly on it to edit. This is where you can tailor the form to your needs. Give it a clear title so visitors understand what it's for, and review the default fields. You can rename fields to match your voice, decide which ones should be required, and adjust placeholder text so people know exactly what to type. Keep your form focused. Asking only for what you truly need tends to increase completion rates. You can also set the button text to something action-oriented, like Send or Submit, and write a friendly confirmation message that appears after someone submits the form. Small touches like these make the experience feel polished and trustworthy. As you refine the form, glance at alignment, spacing, and overall readability so it matches your site's style. Clear labels, logical order, and concise instructions help everyone, including visitors, using assistive technologies. If you're using a bold background, make sure your text contrasts well so it's easy to read. And that's it. You clicked Website on the left, opened Pages to choose where the form goes, activated the right section, used Add Block at the top left, selected Form, and then clicked on it to edit. With those simple steps, you've added a functional, on-brand contact form to your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother conversations with your visitors.